Welcome to Pirates Fans TV. Spete chairman 14 years without this thing, chairman. Uzizwa kanjani chairman?
Yazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ne before ngaqala ukukhuluma ne ithi agent yami ikhuluma kuqala mina ngine agent I'm a fan with the
Agent the champion. You're still a champion.
Jomo 110 nana ke nyako senya la chairman ke motsela mafoko ba ntjho bona ke nyako senya braya ka long ko Pitori bona Sute ratsamaya Sute ratsama Sute ratsamaya Sute ratsam Aritia liki maritia ka monwana Aritia liki maritia ka butsotsi Aritia liki kadoso wa complaina Aritia liki balaka kalenda Sute ratsama Sute
Otiam, what a welcome stage. Jam, see pushile riding the whole season. We are now. Khona la amanye amasotsha eyawa endleleni amanye aqhubeka. Mina ngile sotsha elingazange liphele umoya. Uyazi bengilungukutshela ukuthi njami thina sofika egcineni. Kune interview engayishaya nawe ngokutshela ukuthi uyithatha ngenkani. Mangabe kumele sirape so rape out ya. Kodwa ke lucky yonke into ihambe emnandi. Uyayibona riding. So before ngena egemini namhlanje ithi ngicale ngokubonga kumele ngibonge ngicongratulate ama supporters weBhakania for ama sold out 11 in the season. That's a record. Akekho omunye uke wayenza. Ngwabalile nje amnya research 11 sold out in a season. Amanye abawabalanga is fine. Sizobala lawa that they are recognized. I know they are more than 11. But mabet 11 will take that some. Angithi si humble. No musu ropa na flop. We are humble out here. And then bese ngikhuluma no Manqoba ngikhulume no Phuthi ngikhulume konje lesinayile siyana abantu bansengami luthindla laba babathi thina ngeke sinuke riding ngithi shame awutham lebe ibona besiyibona ukuthi eLondon it's just that bona bebazama ukuphusha idawana ngithola ngithi sisazoyihlephula riding and manje njengoba seze yafika ezandleni zabo Jomo so amfana isahambi anaride sisi siyayipolisha man anabona ukuthi yazi phethwe inodoti awuthama into ukutshela phethwe yenzani beyiloku iGuy Sundowns ibronze namhlanje lethi igolide I between ezinye izinto yabona yana namhlanje bona bengu-grandstand ngibona ishani ye-Sundowns ayikazi yashaya yazi why ithi ngokutshela yazi why Dr. Ivan Khosi clever uyabona thina kube bekuyithi before ngegemini ngaba sihlulekanga ukulenda eMorocco thina ngabe silende very early mara sibayeke siphume kubo bazongithuka nyabazi and abangani babo
Ari champion no bangakuthuka
no bazongithukela icup lapha and bazongithukela lento ukuthi always mina mangithatha ileague ngiba i-triple the champion mngani wami ithi ngikutshela ntandla ithi ngikutshela mina ngaze ngawini like ileague kuphela always mangwini league ngiba i-triple champion
cherry on top.
uyangithola khona la besiphethe uBheki ashaya le nto leya ngama last minute free kick sathatha ileague. It was the last game of the season. Khona la bekuno chance ashaya long stroke. It was last game of the season. Today it was game of the season. Yazi na uthamne thina siyathanda ukuthi si-entertain abantu. Ngikutshelile if ungakhumbula eLondon ngitheni kuwe ngathi besithandile ukuthi singayiwina but ngendaba yokuthi angeke kube nering asikuzobhore eliyevini ithi sambe naye embombeni awuthiyami bengeke babuye embombeni yabona njengoba sila bona mangikhiphele ale ithatha ngenkani besizoyithi noma ngabe isikole sithe 1-0 besoyilanda ngenkani besoyithatha yethu uyangithola uthiyami ne yeah bese ke sesingene egamini namhlanje awuthiyami uwadu same story 4-3-3 shangayo faka lokhuzana iback four yakhe Kiphoto wafaka undaba is my favorite yabo mara ungangizwa kabi angisho ukuthi undaba is better than uHoto mina ngikhuluma ngesystem edlalwe today yabo undaba mina bengimlandela from ku Durban Rich Boys nalentwana le umbuthumo qale ngabe emuva uChena nkosi yami ubani ophinda break record la kaChena
akasekho Chairman. I don't foresee anyone.
Ngicabanga ukuthi nabo Bhokoloshi babo goalkeeper bazovimba uChena angeke awuthamba uChena uhambile ngariding yabo siyandlula la ke awuthamba 4-3-3 njengoba bengukutshela uze ngosilepe last week bekashake inyana ngiyavuma kudala ngangeni angadlali that's why shake inyana today uSky man of the match performance ukubonisa intwana zethu ne ngisasera bese ngicela amabhakane ngithi mabhakane ngicela sibekezele yazi why ngithi sibekezela uthiyami phela uwadu no promoted four players from MDC after bawine by the way si double the champion MDC ngakho uthiyami yeah bayeza labafana ile ntwana leyana yelokhuzane Indian inwele
Devishe
yeah Tennessee upopo zifole intwana next season uwadu njengoba sipromotile beziloku sitrainer nelokhuzana ne first team last week na this week ngicela amabhakaniya first game uwadu make ifaka bazibekezelele zingaba nawo ama mistake angithi zisafika egamini uyangithola ukuthi ngithini yeah mara ke asiyeke nale ngiqedile bese ngiya konje ubani lo baba lo phethe iclub yala
ubani Team Seekers
ithi bengithi ngiyakutshela bengifuna ukubona ukuthi amasa bra Team Seekers mamela ke ithi ukunika ama flowers wakho ungaya uSiyema wangaya usibelebele wangaya 6-0 anyakubonga that's how I win the league that's how I win the league Sundowns ngishayeda ngishayeda awuthiyami ngasho from isizini isaqala ngathi to win the league akumelanga uwine ama game eSundowns akumelanga uwine wonke ama game eSundowns akumelanga uwine wonke ama game eChiefs mara you need to contain because this season it was very heavy yabo so naye amtshela uwadu no ukuthi wadu next season ngicela ungasibeki in this situation osibeke kuyo so kuyilanda ngelast minute thatha lento isikhathi sisavu uwadu mfethu uyabona thina ne uchairman wethu akumelanga athenge player le 90 million to win the league thina sidlala ngamaphokho ithi ngikutshela mngani wami ithi ngikutshela ngizogaya abanye ngishanga research ku Sundowns no ngikhuluma nge South African players not South Americans South African players abanawo they are overdated
serious
they are overdated laba abadlala ngabo they are overdated including umshishi they are overdated bese ubheka bebhakane sine 21 22 23 24 uMakhawula uyiHrotman uMakhawula somkhiphi nangu slap yabonisa ukuthi 2 years yabona ngiyabatshela ngithanda one la iligini asidlali nge11 ama South African players
thanks Chairman
uyangithola I'm very happy yabo
asaba so celebrate Chairman singakubambezeli kakhulu amapakani ya celebrate kuphi
awuthi sogcwala idorobha lonke sogcwala
laba bala embombela masuka la siyaphi
sembombele edrobheni
Oh,
khona la kushaya khona ama-light bazobona kubhalwe chairman bafike la ya bafike la silungisile indawo ya simnandi inhlekeza uthami yazini ne ithi nani nginigaya ama-flowers and before ngihamba bafethu push isizini I know it's very hard especially nilandela ama-game phela la is financial constraint as well kodwa lento ukuthi ningapheli umoya bafethu iyabonisa ukuthi siyancanga ibhakane phela manilandela it's not like nilandela because of pirate nilandela because of i-disc uyabona keep it up bafethu nibe mnandi ngiyanisaluta bafethu pick up